In this video, I'll show you how to play Netflix Football Manager Mobile. First, open the App Store or Play Store on your device. Next, search for Football Manager Mobile Netflix. Once you find the game, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. After the installation is finished, open the game. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Netflix account. Enter your Netflix login details and make sure you have an active Netflix subscription, as it's required to access the game. Once you're signed in, the game will load and you can start your Football Manager journey by creating a club, managing your squad, and competing in leagues. If you can't find the game in your App Store, it may not be available in your region yet or may not be supported on your device. And that's how you can play Netflix Football Manager Mobile. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn